Good morning from another very sunny Madeira. We spent all day yesterday in Funchal, enjoying its sights and sounds, and this morning we're going for another hike. Better get ready. We're heading out of Funchal and venturing into the mountains of Madeira, this time slightly west, in search of a stunning waterfall, walking by ancient canals, and then wandering a magical forest. This is where we've been driving up for the last 20 minutes or so. Incredible views this morning. There's the moon still in view this morning as well. We're still heading up. We've pulled up for this next view, just behind me. Thought we'd driven quite high.
So we're on the only flat part of the island now. The clouds are below us. We're really high up. We're literally in line with the clouds up here. Wow.
We've finally arrived. Just about found somewhere to park. Popular spot for hiking. Could just hear chewing to my left. Seems quite oblivious that I'm here. And a good scratch. Oh, and shaking your head. So we're heading for Risco Waterfall, 3 kilometres. We do have to get our bearings, otherwise we could end up somewhere completely different. Always a possibility. So we're there, and we're going to head along. Eventually it will take us to Risco. See a waterfall. So we've done the waterfall, and now we're going to carry on along PR6 down. So we've just arrived at Fanal very nice nature reserve, but when the cloud comes in it's supposed to look very mystical, but guess what, there's no cloud or mist today, not yet anyway. You're supposed to run through these trees in slow motion, Elaine. Yeah.
Do you want me to swim you then?
Oh, I wouldn't be so shallow. The highest cliffs in the world. Let's go and take a look. We thought we'd stop off here before we head back to our villa. It's about 5:30 early evening. Quite a bit of cloud, but hopefully we'll get a good view. Gift store and a cafe. Here we are. Oh, this feels strange. You are standing 580 metres above sea level. Wow.